Hello, amazing designers. Welcome back to PPPDesigner. Today, I have got something exciting for you. If you are a designer looking for to find the perfect tool to live up your projects, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 incredible websites that provide free and premium design assets to spark your creativity. From illustration to quirky 404 designs, these resources are game changer. So let's dive right in. Every designers know the struggle of finding high quality design resources without breaking the bank. Interface.xyz is here to solve the problem with a curated collection of free design assets to power your creativity. Interfaces.xyz offers everything from UI kit and icons to wireframes and mockup. For example, if you are designing a mobile app, you can grab a ready-made UI kit and save hours of work. Plus, the resources are super easy to use, even if you are new to design. I remember working on a tight deadline for a client project. Interface.xyz was a lifesaver for me. It's a provided me with a pre-designed wireframe that I quickly adapted, giving my client exactly what they need without compromising on quality. Who don't love freebies? Freebies supply is a treasure chest for high quality design assets offered completely free of charge. It's a must have for any designers looking to elevate their project. This platform offers a range of resources including fonts, mockups, template and more. If you are working on a brand project, you will find logos, fonts that give your work a professional edge. These are not your average freebies. They are premium quality and ready to real world use. Freebies supplies has been my go-to for creating presentations. Once I used this mockup template for a pitch deck and the client loved it. It's so much that I approved the project on the spot. It just goes to show how great design resources can make all the difference. Representing matters, especially in design. Black Illustration is a fantastic website that offers diverse illustration focused on black culture, making it easier to create inclusive designs. Whether you are designing for a tech startup or educational platforms or a marketing campaign, Black Illustration provide a variety of styles to suit your needs. The illustrations are vector based and fully customizable, so you can adapt them to your projects easily. I use Black Illustration in a project for a non-profit organization and the reasons was incredible. The client appreciate the inclusivity and it gives that their websites a modern and relatable touch. Imagine being able to create unique illustration that perfectly match your brand without any design experience. Design strips let you do just that, offering an intuitive platform to customize illustration for any theme. You can edit color, adjust pose, and even add unique elements to the illustration. It's a great for designers working on websites, presentation, or even social media graphics. With design strips, you get the power of creating something truly unique without starting from scratch. I once had a client request a customer illustration for this homepage. Instantly, I hired an illustrator and I give this particular tool to implement, and that went very great. Client was thrilled and it saves both time and money. We have all seen those boring, plain 404 page not found screens, right? Error 404.fun is here to change that by offering creative and funny designs for 404 error pages that keeps user engaged. This platform provides humorous and visually appealing templates that are ready to use. Whether you are building a professional platform or an e-commerce website, these designs turns a potential functioning into a delightful user experience. One time I designed 404 page for an online store using error 404 fun, and it becomes a taking point for their users. The page even generated social media buzz, providing that every details is design matters. That's it for today's video. This 5 platform can truly revolutionize your design process, offering assets that are practical, unique, and inclusive. which one is your favorite. Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Please do subscribe PPP Designs and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a design tip or resource. Stay creative and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.